Welcome to our channel where we review the best products for you. Today we're comparing two USB condenser microphones, the Blue Yeti and the Aokeo. Before we dive into the comparison, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our latest reviews. Both microphones have high-quality sound, but the Blue Yeti's tri-capsule array offers better sound recording in different situations. On the other hand, the Aokeo's 192 kHz, 24-bit professional condenser microphone chip makes your voice clear and smooth like running water, giving you excellent sound quality for your podcast or stream. Both microphones are plug-and-play and compatible with Mac and PC. However, the Aokeo has an advantage as it comes with a USB-C cable that can be plugged into mobile phones and other USB-C devices. The Blue Yeti has gain control, mute button, and zero-latency headphone output. The Aokeo comes with a microphone isolation shield, which blocks unwanted sound and makes the sound picked up by the microphone clearer. The Aokeo's folding panel design is also compact and easy to carry around. The Blue Yeti is more expensive, even as a refurbished product, while the Aokeo offers excellent sound quality, additional features, and a lifetime warranty at a lower price. That's it for our comparison between the Blue Yeti and the Aokeo USB condenser microphones. Both microphones offer excellent sound quality and plug-and-play capabilities, but they differ in some additional features and price. Regardless, both microphones are great for gaming, podcasting, streaming, and recording. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to be notified of our latest reviews. Thanks for watching.